Hello, this is Shep and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. We've got a great American convertible classic here. This is a 1970 Mercury Marquis. This is a Western car, started its life in Spokane, Washington. It was purchased by the third owner from her father, who actually took it down to Phoenix, Arizona, and it was down in Phoenix for a good 15 years before she took possession of it, bought it from her father, and then brought it up to Idaho. So it's a real rust-free Western car. This is original paint. We do have a paint meter video showing that going through it, that there's no rust, no Bondo, never been any accidents, any sort of body work. So it's a true survivor, and it is gorgeous. It's finished in its factory color, which is a light ivy yellow. You'll notice the headlamps. You've got the concealed headlamps. We'll operate those for you. But all the bright work is in beautiful shape. And the whole car, if you're buying this from long distance, will have, you know, tiny little nicks. It's a survivor, but no major damage. All the trim is original. Hubcaps, convertible top, interior, etc. So you'll see some slight imperfections, which should be expected on a true survivor, but gorgeous, gorgeous car. It does have a power convertible top, and before we get too far, it does have the big engine. So this has the 429, which is a pretty rare option, the most powerful engine you could buy in 1970. So very complete car. We're going to go through and show you the lights, the brights, the top operation, but this is just a good general look through. And maybe we should go backwards real quick and open up this interior. I'll take another look with the top down, but beautiful interior, vinyl, big pleats, uncracked dash, carpet's in good shape. Just a whole bunch of fun. I've paraded a couple cars like this, different events in the summer, and it's so fun to fill up that back seat with kids, front seat with people, and you just get smiles and waves wherever you go. So the rear bumper, same sort of really quality condition, no dents, dings, but as you get in close, you will notice, you know, just a little patina and some scratches through the course of its life. Take a quick look into the trunk. Even the rubber seal's in good shape. Your original stickers, your light in your trunk works. Big deep trunk with original spare tire and equipment. We'll spin over here. There's some historical records. Like we do have the original build sheet, shows the power front disc brakes, your hideaway lights, the white convertible top, etc. So that's on hand for the next owner. So not tons of service records, but some historical records and a binder full of shop manuals, etc. Engine, body, etc. So that's there for you. Nice and tight on all the door operations. Obviously with that paint meter video that I'll send to you as well if you're looking at this video and want to talk further about it. No accidents, but really clean lines. All your gaps are correct, which would be expected. We'll take a look at this top real quick before we shut it down. So it's in really good shape. You can see how clean that the plastic. Oh, it's glass. No wonder it's so clean. I thought it was plastic. I'm like, how is that so good? But that is glass there. But your vinyl top's in good shape. Operation is super simple. It's power and then 2 latches, and it's really just a one person. Just go ahead and it comes right in position and latch down. So no drama with the top. Door panels are all in good shape. Even your lights work on the interior. And so when we say this is a survivor, it's also been very well kept up through its time. So it's not a survivor where it's not operational, it's junk, it's been sitting, somebody just pulled it out of a barn. It's a very usable from day one type of car. We'll take a look at this engine and we'll show you the highway headlights and other functions. You got your original insulation in place. Usually you'll see those springs be repainted if there's ever any repaint, but those are factory, and your big 429 big block in there. So nice and tidy. We'll give it a start and let you listen to it.
I test out the...
It's really too icy, snowy, etc. to do a test drive. If you've got more interest on this, you can always give us a call and we can shoot it on a video for you. Show you the top operation here.
Alright, so we got brake lights, the blinkers work, left blinker works, the brake lights, and even reverse lights work as well, running lights. You can go and take a look at the front lights. So the winter wipers work very well, and the fluid works very well as too. But you can see the front lights, the brights, running lights, right blinker, left blinker, all works very well.
Okay, so this is Chef and Nick. Say if the weather improves and this car's still available, we can always take it out, do a test drive. I just left the lights on, but phenomenal car, 1970 Mercury Marquis, the convertible. You can contact us if you want this in your garage. We can help you with shipping, flights in, whatever you need. I'm Shep, 208-721-1973.
This is Nick. My number is 563-676-8225.